up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Today's vlog is super exciting because it's our first moving vlog, like of actually moving. I know I did like a packing one, but this is like the first like actually moving. Like we are actually going to our place today. I am so excited. It is actually just me because Eddie had to work, so I'm moving all of our boxes and stuff today, and then tomorrow they're getting a U-Haul and moving like all of our furniture and stuff, but we're just doing like some smaller things today, and I won't be here tomorrow to help them because I have to work tomorrow, so it kind of worked out. But yeah, we have a lot to get done. It is, what time is it? Probably like 11:30. Yeah, it's 11:33, and I have to go pick up our paperwork to move in, like to do the walkthrough and stuff. And it's gonna be a day, you guys. I have so much crap. As you can see, my car is literally like filled to the brim with stuff. Like I honestly didn't know that I had as much stuff as I did, but I am gonna order some coffee. My brother's actually gonna pick up some boxes and bring them also to my place. So I'm gonna order him coffee also because I bribed him to help me with coffee. That's how it's done. And in case I didn't say, or if you're new and don't really know what's going on, I am moving in with my fiance. I just recently graduated with my degree in early childhood education, so I'm officially a teacher. And yeah, him and I are finally moving into our own place. We're so excited. This is the first time that I've ever moved out of home, so I'm very excited. He's very excited. We're getting married in like 4 months now, so lots of big, fun, exciting changes coming our way. Anyway, I need to order our coffee, so I'm just doing online order pickup or whatever from Starbucks. All right, order is officially placed. I'm going to go pick that up and then head to our place. All right, just got the goods. I got, this is my brother's. This is a venti iced pistachio latte with soy. And then this one is mine. This one is a venti iced chai latte with 3 shots of espresso and soy. So it's basically a venti iced dirty chai with soy. So good. I need all the caffeine that I can get today. I am about to be zooming after I have all of this caffeine, but I need it so bad because it's gonna be a crazy busy day. Okay, you guys, I just filmed my empty apartment tour really quickly because I wanted to get that done, which that video will probably be up before this one. So you will have already seen our place, which is so nice. I am seriously so excited. It is so pretty. It's so beautiful. So much more than I thought it was gonna be. I'm so in love. I'm so obsessed. I'm so excited. So I need to go back my car into the garage because my brother's getting ready to bring over some boxes. So I'm gonna back my car into the garage, start bringing in some boxes. I need to clean everything. Like I wanna wipe down the counters and wipe out all of the cupboards and stuff. I'm gonna wait to do the floors because we have like a ton of furniture that we're bringing in tomorrow, so I don't wanna clean the floors just to clean them again. So I just need to kind of like wipe everything down, but we're just bringing in boxes today. Like I'm not really unpacking anything, so I'm gonna start at least like bringing the boxes in and just like setting them in the room and try and get all of that stuff brought in, and then I'll probably start the cleaning and stuff. Okay, we're getting Eddie's reaction of the apartment for the first time because he has yet to see it. The bathroom. Here's our closet.
So I actually get some closet space.
Yeah, good amount of closet space. Okay, little update. We have a ton of stuff here. This is our office, like I told you guys. So we have pretty much all of my office stuff. I have like my desk stuff in there. This rug is beautiful. I will have it linked down below because I am seriously obsessed with it. And it's gonna look so cute in here. This is some more like office desk supplies stuff. And my studio lights, which I think I might end up getting rid of one, but not quite sure. And then the cute little body mirror that we brought in. The lighting in here is so pretty. I love it so much. So we got all of that done. And then we got a ton of stuff. Oh, this was not supposed to be in here. This is not kitchen stuff. We have a ton of kitchen stuff in here. We are literally just bringing boxes in and worrying about the rest later. So we have all of that, my pillows. I have my IKEA mirror finally put in here. I don't know where I'm gonna put it, but I just put it there for now. And then this is just also a mess, just like all of the bedroom stuff in here. So I am super glad that my brother came and helped me drop off a bunch of these because so much easier. I would have had to take like 4 or 5 trips if I were doing it on my own, but since he helped me, I got it done so much faster. So very thankful for that. But like I said, we're literally just moving boxes in. Almost everything is moved at this point. We are gonna go back and get like my drawers to my dresser and like a couple more things, and then we'll be done moving stuff. But I actually just ordered us Chipotle because we were both starving. So my brother went to go pick up the Chipotle, and I'm going to head home, pack back up the car, grab our bite to eat, and then hopefully by that time Eddie's off of work. Target. How much do you think we spent? What's our grand total?
210.
210?
Yeah.
What if I told you more?
I guess I wouldn't be surprised.
What's your next guess?
220.
Nope.
250.
Nope.
I don't care.
Keep it going.
260, 270.
No, no.
300?
Yeah. Keep going.
What? Oh, we saved $1.49.
Woohoo!
360.
We got so much stuff though. We got a desk. That's
Everything was
furniture.
over $10.
No, I got.
The lights were 44.
Whoa! I didn't know the lights were.
Wait,
44.
you got 3 of them?
No, I only got 2.
3 at $14.99 each.
She must have messed up. Do you want to go back in there real quick?
Me? No. You. She was best friends with you.
I know, she was really nice.
Can I just pull you up to the door?
I don't want to go back in.
Please, I don't want to go back in. What we got going on in here?
We went to Target. We were gonna go to the grocery store, but yeah, that's just not gonna happen today. We're both pooped. Like really pooped. I'm so tired and I have to sub tomorrow, so it's gonna be so much fun, but
You want me to get you coffee in the morning?
no, I'll be fine.
No, I want to. Because I want to get coffee in the morning.
Okay, maybe. But we ended up going to Target, did a lot of damage, as you guys know, but I finally got a desk. I was looking everywhere for a desk and I couldn't find one, and then I found this one at Target, which I've never seen online before, and I just thought it fit the room so good, and I was like, should I get it? And then I decided, yes, I needed this desk. I thought it was so cute, so I think I'm going to. I just went ahead and cleaned this whole room, so I'm gonna go ahead and actually, I think, just like set up the office, which would be nice because then we don't have to worry about this room at all tomorrow. And our cable guy is coming on Saturday, so the cable guy will like put our internet or whatever in here, so we don't have to worry about it. So I'm kind of excited to get this all set up now. I'll show you guys the desk that I got.
I'm helping.
Come on. Where are you? Huh? Look around. Where are you?
U-Haul is finally packed. We got the dresser, the bed, and the bed frame. The couch I'm gonna have to put together. Some TVs, a little bit of my stuff. But yeah, it's all packed up in the U-Haul right now. Heading over to the apartment and we're gonna unload it. Alexa has a little bit of a clothes problem, as you can see. That she filled a huge box up with her clothes, and this is only about 1/3 of the box right there. Hey, this is how a YouTuber films. And we're off. All right, the bedroom's all in here, and that's all of the couch. It's literally all the couch right there.
First time I'm picking up the camera today because I was at work all day, so I don't even know what Eddie filmed and what he didn't film or what you guys have seen, but I worked today and Eddie spent the whole day. Well, Eddie and my mom and my brother spent the whole day moving everything in and stuff.
She's finally coming to the realization that she's moved out.
I get so crazy. Anyway, we gotta get through this click. Everybody just left. My dad came over and helped, and we got a lot done and stuff. And we were just kind of like spending time with all of them, getting everything put away and organized, and they got so much done while I was gone.
You didn't say that at first. She goes,
it looked like a mess. It just looked like a mess in here.
There's a lot of boxes. I was telling her mom thank you because she let us stay at her house for over a year, and I like the amount of money we were able to save because she let us do that. Like, she didn't have to let me in her house, but she did. And
yeah, but she did because she wanted me to
cry right now. I'm not going to. But she didn't have to do it, and It allowed us to live in a nice place.
Anyway, we just feel very thankful that we had so much help, because this has just been so much easier having people to come and help us.
And I had friends ask.
Yeah, we just feel very thankful, and I'm just very, very sad to not be living at home anymore, but also very, very excited. Like, I am so excited. I keep telling Eddie how much I love this place. Me too.
I didn't know about it at first, but now that there's furniture, the bed's put together, the other room's getting ready. It feels like home. The kitchen's awesome. We have brand new appliances.
Yeah.
I called them. She said they're brand new.
Are they? Yeah. It's beautiful. It's everything that we've ever wanted, and it's just, we're very, very excited, and we're very excited for all the stuff coming up. But anyway, yeah, so it's emotional. It's just emotional. Anyway, I just wanted to give you an update on what all we did, because we got so much done. We really did. So here is the office. This is what we have done so far in here. It is so cute. I love how this room is coming together. The desk from Target, can't remember if I vlogged that or not, but I put this together. I think I finished it today. Yeah, I finished it today, and it looks really cute. I just need a desk chair, that cute cozy chair. I love this rug. I have my body mirror over there. It still needs put together a lot. All of that needs put away. We still have a ton of stuff that needs put away, but overall, coming together super cute. We haven't really done hardly anything in the bathroom. We just hung up the shower curtain. I have this cute little bath tray that we put in here. Not very much in here so far. The kitchen, we have a lot done. Maybe I'll show you guys that tomorrow. We have a lot done. I think we're gonna get like a cute little bar cart for here to put our coffee machines on. I think that would look really cute right there. We still need to get like rugs and stuff for in here. I have 3 bar stools that I ordered. Those should come in Tuesday, and they're super cute, so I'm excited about that. Couch from IKEA, which looks really, really cute. I know it was a pain in the butt to put together, but it looks good. We got our rug. We need to put our entertainment stand together tomorrow. And this room is, this is our bedroom, and it's literally a mess. Like, I don't even know. I have no words for, I don't know what to say about this. I'm probably just gonna shove this all off the bed and onto the floor just so that we can sleep tonight, and that's gonna be a problem for tomorrow, Alexa. Tomorrow, Alexa also needs to organize the closet. Eddie's super disappointed in the amount of clothes that I have.
It's awful.
I don't know. I didn't realize I had so much.
Comment down below if you want some clothes, because I'll send it to you.
Eddie's just gonna start like packaging up my stuff. We also have not done much in here. Hung up our shower curtain. We have our rug. And then I started throwing stuff down here, but none of it's actually organized or anything. Again, a tomorrow Alexa thing. That's kind of what we have done so far. We're gonna spend the whole weekend kind of organizing things, getting things situated. We still have some more furniture to build and all of that. So I'm gonna end off today's vlog here, but I will be vlogging this weekend. I'll probably maybe do another couple of days or something, but I hope you guys are enjoying all of the moving content. We're having so much fun, and I'm so excited to decorate and like show you all of the decorating stuff that we have. But with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and thank you from the bottom of my heart for just supporting me and loving on me and leaving me comments and messaging me on Instagram. I love it, love it, love it so much, and it means so much to me that I have all of you guys' support. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry again. You guys have been the best, and I appreciate it so much, having all of you guys' support. It seriously means so much to me. All right, that's all, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.